is all transformation starts with the physical. All transformation starts with the body, right? And I knew this. Like, this is not really new to me, at least in terms of how I changed my life. And I think that this has played a major role in why back in 2019, when I flipped the switch, I don't want to say it was easy because, brothers, I do not want to give that message that anything in my life has come easily for me. But for a decade leading up to that day, I had mastered transforming my physique and others. So when I had to transform my life, I already had that first checkbox, right? I already had that first checkbox already marked. So it was easier for me to then step into and change my state of mind, to change my heart, to change my perspective and how I saw the world. So if you're out there right now and you're struggling, you can't seem to find the way out of this behavior, you can't seem to find the way out of anything, begin by taking control of your body. By dialing in your nutrition, get in a macro plan, get in some type of intermittent fasting, dial in your training 4 or 5 days a week. If you need some help, brothers, reach out to me. This is what I did for 10 years before doing this work, right? So, but if you're ultimately going to change your life, you have to start by changing your body. And there's so much carryover effect. We talk about the discipline, we talk about the willpower. When I talk about transformation starts with the physical, I'm not telling you that in order to achieve a life transformation, in order to achieve overcoming addiction, in order to achieve a financial transformation, that you need to reach 8% body fat or 10% body fat or have six-pack abs, because it's not about reaching a specific goal. When I talk about the transformation starts with the physical, it's the physical is going to change you. It's going to require you to develop certain character traits, certain disciplines, certain belief systems that then will be carried over into other areas and other endeavors of your life. Because many times, men, when we're trying to quit porn, we get in a plan, we get in a process. We don't really feel good right out of the gate, right? We know that usually you hit a shot of adrenaline. So you're excited about joining a new program. You're excited about this is my attempt. I'm going to go 90 days this time. But then we know what happens week 2, week 3, week 4. You hit that flatline period. You start feeling a little bit worse. So you don't really feel and experience the fruits of the work. So it's hard to really understand, like, is what I'm doing actually working? Well, with a physical transformation, when you sign up for a fitness challenge, when you stick to a regimented diet plan and nutrition and training regimen, you will actually begin to see and feel differently within the matter of the first couple of days, week, 2 weeks tops. So it's a reminder and it's a confirmation that, hey, if you do the work, it actually works. If you do the work, you will actually change. And many times that's a shot of confidence that we need to our belief system to then stick with the process, follow through, stay off porn, reboot, rewire our brain so we can ultimately become the men that we all were created to be. So, sixth lesson, guys, here from the past 3 years of being 100% porn free is that all transformation starts with the physical.